I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your JBL Bluetooth speaker. First, make sure your JBL speaker has enough battery or is plugged in. Next, keep your speaker and the device you want to connect close together, ideally within about 30 feet. Finally, power on your JBL speaker and put it into Bluetooth pairing mode, which usually involves pressing a dedicated button. This sets the stage for a smooth connection process. Now let's get your device connected. On your phone, tablet, or computer, navigate to its Bluetooth settings. Look for the option to scan for new devices. Once the scan is complete, you should see your JBL speaker's name appear in the list. Tap or click on it to begin the pairing process. Sometimes, a confirmation prompt might appear. Simply accept it to finalize the connection. You'll hear a sound from your speaker confirming it's paired. If you're having trouble connecting, don't worry, it's often an easy fix. First, try turning both your JBL speaker and your connecting device completely off, then back on again. If that doesn't work, go into your device's Bluetooth settings, find your JBL speaker, and choose to forget or unpair it. Then, try the pairing process from the beginning. Also, check that your speaker isn't already connected to another device nearby. For persistent issues, ensure your device's operating system is fully updated, as this can improve Bluetooth stability. If all else fails, a factory reset of your JBL speaker might resolve deeper problems. Check your speaker's manual for specific instructions. Remember, a strong connection enhances your audio experience. Also, for those looking to stay refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.